This is the recipe for the Zongzi. Zongzi is a traditional Chinese rice dish made of glutinous rice stuffed with different filling. Today, I will be making the 5-spiced Zongzi. 2 days in advance, you have to clean the leaves and strings. Boil the leaves and strings off the heat and set aside overnight. The next day, rinse and clean the surface of the leaf. Remove the stem of the reed leaves. On the actual day, prepare the ingredients. Rinse and soak the shrimp, mushroom, and glutinous rice. Cut salted egg yolks into half. And boil chestnuts. For the pork belly, cut it into thumb size. Marinate it with 5-spice powder, sugar, dark soya sauce, smashed garlic. Mix it well and marinate it for 30 minutes. Now you have to prepare the fried onion and onion oil. Blend the onion coarsely. For the onion oil, add oil and onion. Fry it until it turns brown. Turn off the heat and separate the fried onion and oil. Now we have to prepare the braised pork belly. Heat up the onion oil, add sugar and star anise. Heat it until the sugar is caramelized and add smashed garlic. Add the marinated belly. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add water, salt, and braise it. After 15 minutes, remove the gravy and set it aside. Continue to braise it until it's dry. For the braised chestnut, add onion oil, meat gravy, and sugar. Saute until dry. For the braised mushroom, add onion oil, mushroom gravy meat, and water. Sugar. For the mushroom, braise it until dry and set it aside. Now time to make the fried dried shrimp. Add in onion oil and fry it until fragrant. Once brown, set it aside. Then prepare the rice. Add onion oil, 5-spice powder, and meat gravy. Add salt and mix it well. Off the flame when the gravy is absorbed. Add dark soya sauce, fried onion, fried dried shrimp, and mix it well. After we have prepared the ingredient, now it's time to assemble the zongzi. First, overlay 2 leaves. Fold the leaves into a cone shape. Add in 1 spoonful of rice, meat, chestnut, mushroom, salty egg yolk, and fill it out with rice. There are 3 steps to covering the zongzi. The first step is to cover the top surface. The second step is to cover the sides. And the third step is to fold it back. Tie the zongzi with hamstring. And boil the zongzi. Cook the zongzi in a bowl of 2 liters of water. Once it's boiling, put all the zongzi inside. Make sure to cover it with water. Use medium-low flame and boil it until the rice is cooked. Once it's cooked, you can remove it from the pot and enjoy your meal. I hope you enjoyed this dish. If you did, please remember to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.